What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. And today we are doing a shopping haul. Now, if it is your first time here, welcome. And if you never return back to the channel, welcome back. Please go ahead and show your love and support simply by giving the video a thumbs up, because that is how the channel grow and that is how the video get pushed out. Okay, so show your love, panda one here. Alright, so I did go into Aldi's. Everything that I'm showing you here is from Aldi's. The first thing I picked up was this tropical blend fruits. It's unsweetened, so I picked that up. And then I picked up this pack of sharp cheddar finely shredded cheese is what I picked up. And then I did go in and pick up this grill chicken breast strips. Now this is for Future mostly because he doesn't eat his dog food without meat in it. And I also grabbed the white mild cheddar as well, but this one is more thicker. It's not as refined as the yellow cheddar. So I picked that up. And then I also grabbed a bottle of minced garlic that is in vinegar. And for coffee, I grabbed this hazelnut coffee creamer. It's very, very good, so I decided to get this one. It's a natural and artificial, but get it anyway because it's pretty good. You know what I mean? And then I picked up this milk here. This is almond milk. This is this is the regular one, the original one. And then I also got some scallion for sure. The scallion is very, 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 very affordable. Trust me, it's very affordable. And everything else here was reasonable price. All right, but the chicken grilled chicken strips did go up though. That went up just a tad bit more from the last time that I did purchase it. Now in this box I picked up also some Gulf shrimp, medium size, the Fremont fish market. That's where them said this come from. I did purchase this a couple of times before. This is wild caught, but this is for Future. I'm gonna cut it up in this dog food because he really loves it. I cook with it too. Trust me, I have cooked with it before and it's not as bad. But a lot of times I just get him that one to put with his food. And then for lunch, I did pick up the chicken, the rotisserie seasoned chicken breast, the deli slice. So I picked this up for sandwich. It's really good also. That went up. I think that was $4 and something. This was like $5. This used to be $2 and change once upon a time. And I did pick up this also because I'm going to do a recipe, a jumbo flaky biscuit. So I'm going to do a recipe with this. You guys will be seeing that, so stay tuned for that. It's coming very, very soon. And I also grabbed the basmati rice. I'm going to cook this today actually. It is Sunday, so you guys are definitely seeing this Sunday. Alright, so I did pick this up because I am going to be cooking stew peas and rice. You guys will not see the recipe today. However, this is the 2-pound pack of the basmati rice. So stay tuned for the recipe. Stew peas and white rice that is coming very soon. I have many on the channel, but we're going to do it anyway. Okay. Alright, so this is the instant white rice. You could either put it on the stove top, but I like to put it in the microwave. I buy them all the time. It works excellent, especially when I'm making, like, say I'm doing like shrimp fried rice or something. I like to use this rice. It really, really works very, very good for shrimp fried rice or stuff like that. Alright, I just want to go something really, really quick. I purchased it. And then I did pick up a bottle of tomato ketchup from Aldi's. Right? What else did I get? I did get some tomatoes. I like this particular one because it's like tomato salad or whatever. I could cook with it and I could always eat it on a burger or something. So this is Nature Sweet brand tomato on vine. Okay, is what it is. What it do? It usually comes 6 tomatoes in a pack. If you're lucky, you get 7, depending on the size. But today they mostly had 6 in the bag. And then I also picked up some green peppers. We call them sweet pepper, bell pepper, whatever you call them. But we call them sweet pepper in Jamaica, but they are actually green peppers. So I picked up 3 of those. I didn't pick up the other ones because I do have a lot in the refrigerator still. I was just out on the green one. And then, of course, I did pick up some wraps, because I am going to be starting to just do my own wraps in the kitchen, man, for real. Like, Chipotle is really Chipotleing out. They're acting a fool on these prices. So I'm definitely starting to do my own wraps at home. If you guys want me to show you how I do them, just ask me to do it, and I'll definitely bring one so you guys can see how I do mine at home. But I've been doing it a lot, and everybody seems to be loving it. This one is 210 calories. All right, so I purchased one. They do have the favorite one. I think it's spinach and tomato or something like that, but I didn't pick that one up today. I just picked up that one only. And the price was very, very good for that one also, right? But for today, though, the recipe that I'm cooking is the stew peas and rice. I did purchase this though in Food Depot is where I picked this one up. Smoked turkey drums, royal smoked turkey drums. This is the 2-pound pack, and I'm going to cut it up though, because it doesn't come sliced the way I want it, but that's okay, because sometimes when they slice it too small or too thin. And I did pick up some pigtail. This is the country corn pigtails. It is a little salty, and it is perfect. It has a nice smoke flavor in its stew peas, or even if I'm making like the soup, I could just use this in it and it comes out amazing. And even in the rice and peas. All right, you put a little pigtail in there. Now I did pick up the Iberia red kidney beans here, and I've used this many times. It is not a Jamaican brand, but it works fine. And I also picked up a Caribbean Rhythm coconut milk. This one right here, so I've used this a lot of times. They do have seasonings also, all kind of seasonings they do have. I'm not really a fan of their seasonings, but I do like their coconut cream though. So yeah, you know, to each his own. I'm just not crazy about their seasons. It doesn't give me the buzz that I want in my food, but I do have this season in my kitchen, in my pantry, but I'm not crazy about it, okay? But let me go ahead and put these groceries away. We're going to do this over some music, okay? I hope that you did like this quicker shopping haul. Please go ahead and hit that thumbs up, you guys, as soon as it come in, because I might have forgotten to do so, and I may have forgotten to do so when it come in. When it's still there, watch me. So go ahead and thumbs it up before you leave, okay? I love you guys to the moon and stars. Thank you for all the support that you show here on the channel, even when a girl now upload, okay? Go over and subscribe to my channel, Life is Juliana, if you have not done so already. I will put things that go on over there, so tour, okay? I love you guys. Thanks for everything good, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just doing their thing. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up.